The 2027 MAN car represents a new chapter for a brand best known for engineering powerful commercial vehicles, advanced transport solutions, and dependable performance. For this review, the focus is on what a 2027 MAN passenger-oriented concept or premium road vehicle could offer in terms of design, technology, performance, comfort, practicality, safety, and efficiency. Since final specifications can vary by market and MAN has traditionally focused on trucks, buses, and commercial transportation rather than conventional passenger cars, some details about a 2027 MAN car should be treated as expected or speculative rather than confirmed production specifications. Starting with the exterior, the 2027 MAN design could bring a bold and highly recognizable appearance inspired by the company's modern commercial vehicle styling. The front end could feature a large aerodynamic grille, slim LED lighting, a sculpted hood, and a strong bumper design. MAN is associated with durable and purposeful engineering, so a future passenger vehicle could combine this rugged identity with a more sophisticated and streamlined body. The overall shape could emphasize aerodynamic efficiency while maintaining the muscular appearance expected from a German vehicle. The lighting technology could be one of the most impressive features. Advanced LED or matrix LED headlights could provide improved visibility at night while automatically adjusting the light pattern around other vehicles. A distinctive daytime running light signature could make the vehicle immediately recognizable. At the rear, LED taillights and a clean aerodynamic design could provide a modern appearance while improving efficiency. Inside the cabin, the 2027 MAN could focus heavily on space, comfort, durability, and technology. A large digital instrument display could replace traditional analog gauges, allowing the driver to view speed, navigation, energy consumption, vehicle information, and driving assistance settings. A central high-resolution touchscreen could provide access to navigation, entertainment, smartphone connectivity, climate controls, and vehicle settings. The interior could use premium materials combined with practical surfaces designed to remain durable over years of use. Depending on the vehicle category, buyers could expect supportive seats with multiple adjustment functions, heating, ventilation, and potentially massage functions on higher trims. A spacious cabin could make the MAN particularly attractive to drivers who value long-distance comfort. Technology would likely be a major part of the 2027 MAN experience. A modern infotainment system could support wireless smartphone connectivity, voice commands, cloud-based navigation, over-the-air software updates, and connected vehicle services. A digital assistant could allow drivers to control navigation, climate settings, phone calls, and entertainment without taking their hands away from the steering wheel. For passengers, the vehicle could provide multiple USB-C charging ports, wireless smartphone charging, individual climate controls, premium audio, and rear seat entertainment options. A panoramic glass roof could also be available on higher specifications, creating a brighter and more spacious cabin. Performance would depend heavily on the powertrain selected. A future MAN road vehicle could potentially use advanced combustion engines, hybrid technology, battery electric propulsion, or a combination of these technologies. If MAN developed a high-performance passenger vehicle, an efficient turbocharged engine could deliver strong torque and smooth acceleration. However, the automotive industry is rapidly moving toward electrification, making an electric or hybrid MAN concept particularly interesting for 2027. An electric powertrain could provide instant torque, quiet operation, and strong acceleration. A large battery pack could offer a substantial driving range, while fast charging technology could make long-distance travel more practical. Regenerative braking could recover energy during deceleration and return it to the battery. Different driving modes could allow the driver to prioritize efficiency, comfort, or performance. A hybrid version could combine an internal combustion engine with an electric motor. This setup could provide excellent low-speed response while reducing fuel consumption in urban driving. A plug-in hybrid could potentially allow short journeys to be completed using electric power before switching to the combustion engine for longer trips. The transmission system would also be important. Depending on the powertrain, the vehicle could use a highly efficient automatic transmission or a direct drive electric system. Smooth gear changes, responsive acceleration, and intelligent power management would be essential for delivering the refined driving experience expected from a modern German vehicle. Handling could be another major strength. A sophisticated suspension system could provide a balance between comfort and stability. Adaptive suspension technology could automatically adjust damping depending on road conditions and driving style. On highways, the system could prioritize stability and comfort, while in corners it could provide greater body control. Steering could be electronically assisted and tuned for precise responses without becoming unnecessarily heavy. All-wheel drive could be offered on selected versions, improving traction in rain, snow, and difficult road conditions. Such a system would also benefit drivers who regularly travel on uneven roads or in challenging environments. Safety would naturally be one of the most important areas of the 2027 MAN concept. Modern vehicles are increasingly equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, and a future MAN could include a comprehensive collection of safety technologies. These could include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, forward collision warning, and rear cross traffic alert. A surround view camera system could provide a 360-degree view around the vehicle, making parking and maneuvering easier. Parking sensors and automated parking assistance could further reduce stress in crowded urban areas. Higher versions could potentially include advanced highway assistance capable of maintaining speed, distance, and lane position under appropriate conditions. The vehicle could also use radar, cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and potentially lidar technology to monitor its surroundings. These systems could work together to provide warnings and assistance when dangerous situations are detected. Of course, drivers would still need to remain attentive and responsible because driver assistance technology is designed to support rather than replace the driver. Efficiency is another area where a 2027 MAN vehicle could stand out. Aerodynamic bodywork, low rolling resistance tires, lightweight materials, energy-efficient climate control, and intelligent power management could all contribute to lower energy consumption. If the vehicle were electric, regenerative braking and optimized battery management would be particularly important. The exterior could also incorporate lightweight aluminum and advanced high-strength steel. These materials could reduce weight while maintaining structural strength. A lighter vehicle generally requires less energy to accelerate, which can improve both performance and efficiency. Practicality would likely be another important advantage. A MAN-inspired vehicle could prioritize usable cabin space and cargo capacity rather than focusing exclusively on a sporty appearance. A large luggage compartment, flexible rear seats, multiple storage areas, and a practical tailgate could make it suitable for families and long-distance travelers. Depending on the final body style, the 2027 MAN could potentially appeal to customers looking for a premium SUV, crossover, multi-purpose vehicle, or technologically advanced transport vehicle. Its German engineering identity could give it a strong personality in a market filled with established European, Japanese, Korean, and American manufacturers. The driving experience could be particularly interesting. At low speeds, the vehicle could provide precise steering and excellent visibility. On highways, a quiet cabin and adaptive cruise control technology could make long journeys relaxing. During acceleration, an electric motor or powerful turbocharged engine could deliver immediate response. Suspension tuning would determine whether the vehicle feels more luxurious, sporty, or utility-focused. Noise insulation would also be important. A premium cabin could use acoustic glass, additional insulation, and carefully engineered suspension components to minimize road and wind noise. Electric versions would naturally offer an even quieter experience because they do not produce the same mechanical noise as traditional combustion engines. Connectivity could extend beyond the infotainment screen. A smartphone application could allow owners to check vehicle status, locate the vehicle, monitor charging, lock or unlock doors, schedule climate control, and receive maintenance notifications. Digital keys could allow compatible smartphones to replace traditional keys. Maintenance technology could also become more intelligent. Sensors could monitor important components and notify the driver when servicing is required. Connected diagnostics could help identify potential problems before they become serious. Over-the-air software updates could improve infotainment, efficiency, safety features, and vehicle functions without requiring every update to be installed at a workshop. From a design perspective, the 2027 MAN could successfully combine German engineering with modern luxury. Rather than simply creating an aggressive vehicle, the ideal design would balance strength, elegance, aerodynamics, and practicality. The result could appeal to people who want something different from traditional luxury brands. Pricing would depend on the final vehicle type, equipment, powertrain, and market. If MAN entered the passenger car market with a premium product, pricing could place it against established European competitors. An electric version with a large battery, advanced driver assistance, premium materials, and sophisticated technology could command a higher price. For buyers, the biggest attraction would likely be the combination of man engineering, practicality, advanced technology, and a distinctive design. The brand already has extensive experience developing vehicles intended to operate reliably for long periods and under demanding conditions. Translating that engineering philosophy into a modern passenger vehicle could create an interesting alternative in the automotive market. Overall, the 2027 man car is an exciting concept to discuss because it represents what could happen if man's engineering expertise were applied more directly to the passenger car segment. A successful vehicle would need to offer more than a recognizable badge. It would need to deliver strong performance, excellent efficiency, advanced safety, premium comfort, practical interior space, and dependable long-term operation. The most exciting possibilities include a futuristic exterior, intelligent digital cockpit, advanced connectivity, electrified powertrains, sophisticated suspension, all-wheel drive capability, and comprehensive driver assistance technology. If these elements were combined successfully, a 2027 man vehicle could offer a distinctive alternative to conventional luxury and performance vehicles. It is important to remember that exact engine specifications, battery capacity, horsepower, dimensions, pricing, features, and availability should be confirmed through official man announcements because future model information can change before production. Any specifications discussed for an unconfirmed 2027 passenger vehicle should therefore be considered expectations rather than guaranteed production figures. For a YouTube audience, the 2027 man is an especially interesting topic because it combines German engineering, modern automotive technology, and the possibility of a completely different approach to passenger transportation. Whether viewers are interested in performance, luxury, electric vehicles, safety, technology, or futuristic automotive design, this concept provides plenty to discuss. In conclusion, the 2027 man car could represent a bold vision of the future, combining robust engineering with premium comfort and next-generation technology. Its potential strengths would include a commanding exterior, spacious cabin, advanced digital systems, powerful and efficient powertrains, modern safety features, excellent connectivity, and practical everyday usability. If man ever brings such a vehicle to the passenger market, it could attract considerable attention from drivers looking for something distinctive and engineered with a strong focus on durability.